Oh, there it is. HMID. No signal. Looks good so far. Oh, that's why it's not hooked up. Got it working again. I'll be darned. Chicken up top the TV. Bye. See if it works again. You know, it saved me $85 to $95 from eBay. It would took about a week, maybe 3 weeks shipment to get here. And I just threw this thing in a freaking oven for 10 minutes and wait 20 minutes to see if it works. No signal. Hold on. Plugging in the wrong thing. In a second. Oh, let's try it this way. Number 3. Oh, there it is. There it is. Picture. How about that? Oh my God. I can't believe it. Alright, let's try the surround sound system. Give it a second.